All right, Caroline, you're back. You're the highest place finisher last year that's coming back this year. You placed 16th last year, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what does it feel like? I mean, you won your region again. You've been tearing it up this year. I've seen you've had a lot of course records, a lot of big wins. You're having a great year.
Well, thank you. It's going a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
It's been a really great ride, I'd say.
Why is it going better than you thought it would?
I guess I hadn't set those kind of goals for myself, and I kind of exceeded what I thought I could do, beyond expectations kind of thing, as far as times and where the season's taken me.
So what does that mean for Saturday?
I'd like to try and get All-American. Last year I missed it by one spot, so it'd be kind of nifty to place pretty high this year, see how that go.
Do you have a different strategy than you had for last year, or?
Last year I was just kind of feeling it out. I didn't really have any expectations as far as place-wise went. I just kind of was enjoying the experience and was kind of in the moment. Hope if I finished second to last, I'd be okay with that kind of thing. This year, I kind of have a specific goal to either get top 15, hopefully higher would be kind of nice.
So Caroline, you are back here for the second time. You're graduating this year. What does Foot Locker mean to you, and what does it feel like to have that on your resume now again?
It's quite an honor again to be back here. I had a great experience last year, and then coming back as a second time around, it's even more rewarding kind of thing. Having it on my resume, I guess, it makes me really appreciate all the hard work from this season and last season too, I guess.
If you could tell us anything about you that's fun, or anything about your running, or just something that you would want the audience to know about you, what is that?
Oh shoot.
What's your favorite thing to do, or your favorite thing about running? Just a little tidbit about Caroline besides that we know you run really fast.
I've always loved running. It's not something you really have to be good at to enjoy. You can get kind of lost in a run sometimes, and I know some people don't really know what a runner's high is. Some people do, and it's a really great feeling when you have a good run or a good workout. I don't know. It's just an entirely different thing on its own. It's really special to me. So.
Well, good luck to you. Have fun up there, and congrats on your big win already.
Thank you.